YouTube channel, back with another video. And today, okay, wait, so I know right now I look kind of homeless, but you know what? That's not important, and that's not why we're here today, okay? But yeah, I've been looking like this for the past 3 days because the weather has been down bad, okay? This is the look that's been going on for the past couple of days, and today, right now, we're gonna change that. So today I decided that I'm going to dye my curls. So I'm gonna dye my curls. We're gonna dye them jet black, and I'm using Cream of Nature. And I actually got let's see, 3 boxes. 1, 2, we got 3, and I hope that this is enough. Because if not, I don't know what we're gonna do. And the crazy thing, Walmart does not sell this. For 2 days, I looked for this dye at Walmart and nowhere to be found. So I had to go to the local beauty supply store and I found it. But we're gonna get right. We're gonna get right. Because we're looking real raggedy right now. So, this is what's been hiding under this hat. So my hair was previously blown out for a style that failed. But that's not important either. That's not. We'll return to that later. Yeah, but I hadn't dyed my hair myself in years. And now I feel like I want to dye it because it's as much as it doesn't look damaged, it's very much damaged. And that's another story, how my hair even got to this point. And the ends, it's faded. It's very much faded. And it was pretty burgundy, a pretty good color, but it grew out and it faded to the ends. But so yes, the last time my hair was colored was December of 2019, and it was damaged very bad after that. Child, that's a story to tell, okay? Since I know that it's not the healthiest, I would rather it look a little healthy. So I know jet black is always the answer. So we're gonna get rid of this. And I haven't made up my mind yet whether I want to big chop again and just start over. And I probably will. It's hair. It'll roll back. So let's get right into it. So first I am going to comb this out because my hair has been blown out for maybe a week, 2 weeks, going on 2 weeks now. So it has been up in that ponytail, and it's oiled. It's very much oiled, so it's not dry at all. But it's been up in that little ponytail for a while. I'll probably take it down every 2 days and kind of comb it out so it won't shed as much when I, finally decide to take it down. And I've always been scared because I don't want to damage my natural hair. But since we're already here, the damage is already done. I feel like you can't do any more. So I'm gonna just comb it out as much as I can, and I'm going to section it off 4 and 4. Baby, look. The flakes are flaking, y'all. They here. They here. They coming out. They coming out to play. This is how we looking right now. So we're gonna start with our first box of dye. We have the cream color developer. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, no, it's focused. Yeah. We have ammonia free colorant. So we have the hair color. What is this? You know what? This is conditioner. And I never understood. See, Cream of Nature is for black women. And I never understood, like, why y'all give us this little conditioner? What am I supposed to do with this? I'm gonna need a full bottle of this to put on my hair. Like, what? Make it make sense. But before we do anything, we're gonna read the directions. We also have the so I did step 2 before step 1. So we're already ahead. We got this. We're gonna go ahead and mix the color. So we're gonna mix this into this. Saying bye-bye to this right here. Whatever this is, we're saying bye to it. Completely covered. I'm gonna let this sit for 25 minutes, and then we rinse it out, maybe until the color is completely gone, and I'll be right back. So this is the outcome, and I think I'm in love. I'm really in love with this. Now, I attempted a flexi rod set, and I haven't done one since May, so I'm a little rusty, but I still think it turned out pretty good. I think I like black hair days better than redhead. It doesn't look as damaged as it is, making me have second thoughts about cutting it. And it's giving me very much, it's giving me wig vibes. And you know, Des love big hair. I love big hair. I love it. I really do. I love it. Until next time. Bye, guys.